What is up? So finally get to make some chai. I haven't made chai in a very long time, and mainly because I haven't felt like driving to Kennesaw to buy any because Kennesaw traffic. Um, so yeah, we finally got some chai. I just some brand I ordered off of Amazon. They look pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, here's the chai itself. Get a good look at it. So compared to the other chai I was using, there's a lot more oxidized leaves in this one. So we'll see just how big of a difference that makes, if any. I think I'm still going to stick to the 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of chai. When I steep it all, we will steep it in here. And then we need our strainer. Hope y'all can see this okay. All right, so we got the strainer. We got where we're gonna steep it in. And the milk is also gonna go in there as well. Yeah, that should be everything really. And you may have heard the water heating up behind me. Make sure I dry this off. Sorry, I need to get... I either need to get a GoPro, a good GoPro, or a better mount for this thing. I mean, we can call that 1.5 right there. We'll do 2. Yeah, 1.8 to 2 teaspoons, we'll call it. And I don't like sweetening up with the vanilla. Do I have any more raw sugar left? I got a little bit. That's enough. That's enough to sweeten it up a bit. I think raw sugar just has a better flavor profile when you sweeten stuff with it. So I'm kind of just going by eye on this one. But with chai teas, it's important to just sweeten it up a little bit. Water's hot. Just enough to wet all the beans. I think I put a bit too much in there, honestly. So since I put a lot in there, we'll, instead of 4 minutes, we'll do 5. And we'll just wait on that to do its thing. All right, 5 minutes is up. So from here, I'll go ahead and warm up the steam on. Grab the milk. I'll fill it up to the beginning of the spout area. I think I can get away with less than that too. Look at that color. That color looks amazing already. I'm excited. Let's grab our mug. Let me fuss. So I'm gonna let in nothing but air pretty much until the very, very end. You do want a texture here. So I'm gonna texture it to be like a latte, basically. I'm gonna just keep adding air, just keep adding it and adding it. So the milk is expanding, which is why I'm having to adjust my handle on it a bit. It's already very hot. Just trying to let in a little bit more. All right, let's dip it. We got some foam there. We got some foam. Should be okay. I'll attempt to add just a bit more. Yeah. You can see I cut it close right there. All right, cool. And that's clean that one. We need to clean that one. I usually don't put soap on the towel when I go to clean the lawn, but in this case, I will put soap on the towel. All right, cool. Yeah, we got a good texture. Cool, awesome. I'm happy. All right, anticlimactic decompression there. All right, so from here, just pour straight through the strainer. Wow, look at that. That looks amazing. And then I like to top it off with some cinnamon sugar as well. And there y'all have it. A chai latte. Hopefully I can get this in frame okay for y'all. This camera's so derpy. I need to get a different mount. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and yeah, more soon.